Hi everyone, my name is Vamshi. So I think you guys are supporting me on my channel called Learn Easy with us. So thanks, I got almost like 500 subscribers and I was not able to upload any new content into my channel from very long. So there are multiple reasons why I was not able to do why I was not able to upload multiple videos and all those things in the channel. I used to talk about how AI works and making sure that people learns how AI works. But even in the same process, I was also learning how AI works and how we can able to use AI too. So before going more deep into this concept, like let me tell you about myself and why these videos. Again, this is not only the one video, so there will be the series in these videos. Actually, this series is basically based on how do we use AI to develop our own product and then taking it live to the users. How can we create a business out of it? So you might think that I do have a lot of experience in it, okay, and I do know AI, or I might have very good experience. I might be an engineer or I might be a developer. Believe me, I don't know anything about the development. Yes, I do know the basics. Where do we write the code? What are the types of codes? What is basic security? Like following the videos, like everyone who has basic general knowledge, I do have the same basic general knowledge. So about me, I do have experience into digital marketing. Then you know, right? AI came into picture, and a lot of people are losing their jobs because 90 percentage of digital marketing work is been basically handled by an AI. So then I start try to pivot my career to different platform. I tried AI too, okay, and I learned AI from different sources. At the same time, I started this channel and adding the information about the AI, how people can learn, what is ethical hacking, and you could see what is Python and all those things in the series. Like everyone, I didn't complete any of the courses, believe me. So I like it's not like I haven't completed everything, but I do understood the concepts. How does it work? What is it? What are the areas does it handle and all those things. So based on that, I was trying to understand how actually the AI works. At the same time, I was actually looking for a real job. So I also was also learning the analytics, data analytics and all those things. So I got a job in a company, which is a really big company, which deals with data analytics, and they do have a huge client base too. So I eventually moved into the data analytics part, but I do really like AI part. So here in this series, we're gonna understand the AI concepts. I'm not gonna say concepts completely. We're gonna understand the business itself. So when I was trying to work on the AI platforms, okay, when I try to give the interviews for the AI or the different positions which deals with AI, the majority of them are not looking for how good are you in that skill, how good are you in prompting, how good are you at what you call writing and structured information, right? So they are morely into how good are you able to provide yourself, your ideas to the AI, and then how do you make your application work better. So that is what the actually people were looking for. The main point for me here is to understand what should I do. So learning is a factor where we learn on every step, but it's not like we are executing what our learnings are into our lifestyle, right? So again, I'm not here to make you learn about AI, what to use, how to use, Okay, what are the things you can use or what are the skills we have to use? There are so many gurus in the YouTube who are there who can help you out. This I straightforwardly want to make sure that how can we start a business from the scratch without any idea. For example, right now, I don't have any idea what to start, what to do, but I am very much passionate and I want to do something. So that is what it leads me over here. And you might also think why I'm coming and telling you guys, or why am I creating even a YouTube video? The main point over here is why I'm trying to create a video is I want to be sure that how long does it take for me to start work on it and complete the task. It's basically happened to everyone. People start things and people end things in between. And there is no liability or there is no nothing, right? We started, people say, okay, I have a lot of work. People say, I didn't have proper time to work on it. I didn't slept on it, right? Or I was not having time to eat and all those things. They're gonna tell a lot of things. But if you have a platform and you are telling what is happening and what you are trying to do, then definitely people will ask what is happening to the product, how far are we at the product, and that is what it will make me motivated. So one of the main reasons why I'm coming back to learn easy with us is not because I had a YouTube channel and there are like 500 subscribers. Why I'm here back? Because couple of comments people were asking, where is the next video? What about the next part? So there is an accountability. So when I start working and trying to show that how do we work on the application, what do we do? So I am accountable for you guys and tell you what is happening in the life cycle of AI, right? How do we develop? How do we create a business? And all those things. So that is the main reason why we will be sharing all my information to you guys. Again, I might not be able to share everything, so I will be creating a videos every day that what was the work I have done, what is the outcome of it. I might not able to show each and every step down the line how it is happening and what it is happening, but definitely I will give you an update from the start to the end into the market, even in the market, what kind of a problems are we facing? Okay, taking your community support, understanding what are the futures that we can add, understanding what is the best course of action we can do to make sure this product works better, and how does people understand AI and how they can create their own application. It could be web application or it could be an app, it could be an and what you call and fitness. Again, I'm just taking fitness as a term because a lot of people say fitness or food and all those things, which is very easy. But I don't want to take such kind of an niches, which is very commonly found on the internet. So I'm gonna take something challenging, and I'm also gonna take something is actually useful. So in this journey, please help us. Please guide me what do you think is right, what is wrong. And based on that, we will start working on our application. Here we will be again in the market, there are like too many AI tools. So currently it's not, we wanna use any paid tools right away. So again, we do have, I mean, actually from India, so we do have an Geo, okay? And for us, if we have a certain package of the recharge and we can use the Google Gemini for free. And they also provide certain storage to us. Apart from that, so there is a OpenAI that is also there, which basically gives us the access. I think we do have 1 year free plan, but again, it doesn't give the bigger models. It gives like basic model to take on it. But again, I think I need to add my credit card details over there, and then it will give for free for 1 year for me. So I will try to use free. I mean, again, I'm not promising anything that this will be like $0, there it will be zero or no investment. There will be an investment down the line, but again, I am trying to make it as small as possible, as smaller as investment as possible, and trying to make sure that we are able to develop an appropriate application for our business. So this will basically help you guys to build your own dream project. Or else if the people who are looking for a job and they want some kind of a project to work on it. So we both can work and create your own product level kind of a what you call develop a complete product, add it to your GitHub. When you go to interview, you can share the information. What was an idea behind this? What was the main reason? What kind of a research we have done? What kind of an information we have provided to AI? What of limitations we have got? So that will help the people who are looking in for the job. It will help you guys to see the real time scenarios, what people are looking for. And the people who are trying to build their businesses, they also understand that what actually need to be done into the AI space. So this will be an actually good series. That's what I believe. But definitely we'll see how does this thing goes. So this is about me and what we're gonna do and what are we gonna plan and all those things. And for the next video, we will see what kind of a product or what is our plan for the day. So based on that, we will try to make sure. So again, this series is not something you feel that okay, we're gonna get everything done within a week or 2 weeks or 30 days or something like that. So yeah, my channel does say learn easy with us. So trust me, learning is not at all an easy part. And developing something from the scratch is also not a something easy part. It is actually difficult. It's not related to the money, it's related to the passion, it's related to the time we give and all those things. So again, we'll try to make sure that I am trying to deliver the videos to you guys and also that the good value you are getting out of it, my experience on it and all those things down the line for the completing the project. Thanks guys. We'll meet you on the next video. Bye.